Today start with the syllabus, that is Swami Ramanand Tirth Mararwada University Nanded BSc third year mathematics syllabus, and this pattern, that is CBCN pattern, is effective from June 2018. Okay, so what is the syllabus of BSc third year semester 5th? It is the BSc mathematics CBCS pattern. Okay, there are 3 papers. First one is metric space, paper number 12. 13 is linear algebra, and 14 is optional paper. Choose any one of them. So how many is there? Are 3 optional paper. One is operation research, second is mechanics, and third one is complex analysis. Okay, now the detailed structure of paper and distribution of marks. Okay, so this is, you can see the title of paper having external mark, internal marks, and total. So every paper has 10 internal marks and 40 having external exam or theory exam. You all know, and you have to choose a skill. You have already chosen a skill in the BSc second year. That skill, that subject is carry. Okay, carry to third year. Now this is about the structure of 6th semester. Now syllabus of metric space. So syllabus of this paper is divided, or in fact every paper containing 3 units. This is first unit containing metric space, example of metric, then congruence and completeness, definition, Cauchy sequence. This is unit second, unit third, and this is the reference book, textbook, SC Malik and Savita Arwa, mathematical analysis. Okay, these books is available in our college library as well as in departmental library. Okay, there are, what is the scope of unit first, unit second, and unit third? You see these scope, we have already sent the syllabus. So these topics and these scopes is already mentioned in the syllabus, and these are the 5 reference book. Okay, now syllabus of linear algebra, which is divided into 3 units. So first unit is what? Vector spaces. Vector space containing elementary basic concept of vector spaces, linear algebra, linear independence, and basis, dual spaces. Unit second is what? Inner product space, field, extension field, and third unit was linear transformation. That is algebra of linear transformation, characteristic root. Characteristic root means what? Eigenvalue. Okay, so these already we have studied, and matrices. And having textbook is what? Ian Hastine. Okay, so this is about the scope and syllabus and its scope. Okay, this is, and we start the optional paper, that is operation research. Okay, we have already seen there are 3 optional, but we start the ऑपरेशन रिसर्च. ठीक आहे, हे तुमच्या लक्षात असलं पाहिजे की आपण कोणता घेणार आहे. यू हॅव टू मेन्शन द नेम ऑफ पेपर इन द एक्झाम फॉर्म. सो यू शुड नोट डाउन ऑप्शनल पेपर इज व्हॉट? ऑपरेशन रिसर्च. ठीक आहे, नाउ so this is the syllabus. So see the first unit, linear programming problem. This topic is already you have studied in the 12th standard. 12वीत तुम्ही हा टॉपिक पाहिलेला आहे, linear programming problem, maximization, minimization problem. ठीक है, so already we have studied this concept in 12th standard. Now then linear program, simplex Then next one is what? Unit second is linear programming problem can be solved with the help of simplex method. There are some fundamental properties of solution, computation procedure. We have already see this in the whenever we start the syllabus of this paper. Okay. Next is transportation problem, and this is the textbook. Okay. So you go through the syllabus that already I have sent on the our WhatsApp group and check everything which I already you provide. मी ज्या ज्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला त्या ग्रुपवर पाठवत आहे त्या प्रत्येक गोष्टी काय करा, पहा, सिलेबस लिहून घ्या, नोट डाऊन करा. ठीक आहे. नाव तो हे झालं सिलेबस बद्दल. ठीक आहे. नाव आता एक see the now see this. This is already we have seen. Now we start with the vector space. See, so first of all, what is vector space? So before starting this, we start with some basic concept. Okay, set, relation, function, proper, that is types of function, and some topics are remaining. Okay, so in linear algebra we see the concept of vector spaces, basis, ठीक है, and all these things. ठीक आहे. हे वेक्टर स्पेसेस हा चॅप्टर सुरू करण्याआधी आपल्याला काय करायचंय, थोड्या 2-3 गोष्टी राहिलेल्या आहेत यामध्ये. कोणकोणत्या? सो प्रिव्हियसली वी हॅव स्टडीड in the second year group theory, its properties, then what? Ring theory and its properties. See, just we have to see the properties. ठीक है. कि what is, how group is defined, what is binary operation, how it can define, which properties have to, if some structure is satisfied some properties, then we say a group, that algebraic structure is group, otherwise not. So these all the things we see one by one. ठीक है. So time is over. ठीक है. so प्रत्येकाने एक गोष्ट लक्षात घ्या. ठीक आहे, की फक्त आणि 40 मिनिटाचा हे आहे आणि त्यामध्ये आपण 10 मिनिटं एक्सटेंड केलेली आहे आपली मीटिंग. ठीक आहे. याच्यापेक्षा जास्त त्यामध्ये फीचर्स नाही. ठीक आहे. त्यासाठी प्रीमियम व्हर्जन पाहिजे. ठीक आहे. पण आपलं जे 46 मिनिटाचं लेक्चर असते त्यामध्ये एवढं होते. ठीक आहे. तुमच्या गोष्टी लक्षात आल्या असतीलच. ठीक आहे. आता तुमचे माईक अनम्यूट करा. आता सर्वांचे माईक अनम्यूट करा. युवराज